We're in a Subaru. We can melt the curb.
Wow, I'll look it in here too. You can see it.
We're letting this person whole bunch down right here.
Oh,
Did Grandma Grandma turn off here?
Your vehicle got hit.
Oh no.
Or were they driving during this?
I don't know.
Wait,
Their vehicle-
didn't Grandma Grandma turn off?
They're right there.
I thought there was only one car ahead of us.
Well, they were at one time.
But there's been... Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry, Michelle.
Block down there too.
Whoa.
Okay, I understand, but there's people.
Yeah.
That guy was saying it's blocked up here, so
Well, we'll find out.
there's a tree.
Yeah,
Oh, you're not setting off fireworks. Okay, let's get out.
Yep.
Well, why don't we get there?
Yeah. A little dark now, but
Got stuff down. They've already been out cutting.
Yep.
ooh,
Wow.
Scott, you might want to
oh, I know,
wash your
I know.
Glad
window
we
here.
washed those clothes today. Oh my.
Yeah, these are now flat. What a mess, huh?
Oh, you got hit.
Oh.
Sorry.
Next door.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, they're
careful, honey. Drove over a lump.
Yeah, I know. I saw it there.
Okay, so we
Oh no, there's another. Oh, he's next door.
Oh, yeah. We get it worse. Yeah, we can get through. Yeah,
That
because there's
way?
a driveway there, so
okay.
it's actually something we can get through.
Wow, look at all those trees that went down there.
He's
Yeah.
lucky though. I think it's just a
He
little
doesn't
one.
have much damage.
I think it's
Yeah.
just kind of resting on top of the house.
It's just the leaves and the light branches there.
Yeah.
Well, they may get a real
Of course,
far
we may
view.
get this far, and then we'll be stopped.
We'll see. Yeah, there's. Ooh. Even scratched the roof up.
Mom,
That's the least of our worries right now.
Just don't. Okay.
We heard.
Thanks.
What did they say?
There's
said
two
there's
that you could get around and one that there's absolutely no way. So
Okay.
we're in a parking lot right now.
Okay.
Should we get out?
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do.
Close the windows because it's raining.
mine's going up.
Can we walk it from here? There, he said, and then there's one that you cannot get through. Yeah,
We
I
just
heard.
moved the one out of the way, kind of. Then the one after that, like, no way.
No way.
We also have something over there.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
And it's like this all over.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
It is. It could be worse.
Oh yes, it could be.
It could be mine up.
Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah. We hope to get home.